Parents of a baby girl are in a financial position to begin saving for her college education. They plan to have $100,000 in a college fund in 18 years by making regular end of month deposit in an annuity that pays 9% compounded monthly. So we're gonna make a list of the key terms that provided by the problem. In the future or in the next 18 years, they expect to have $100,000. So the A value is $100,000 for 18 years. So T equals 18. End of month deposit. So that means 12 times in a year. So N equals 12. And the key term here that confirms that N equals 12. The rate R equals 9%. So R equals 0.09. We're going to find out what is the p-value or the deposit for each month in part A. After that, we're going to round up to the nearest dollars. The last part, you're going to calculate what would be the portion of $100,000 that is for the deposit, and then what would be the interest from these savings. To compute the P in part A, P equals A multiplied by the quantity R over N divided by open parenthesis, 1 plus R over N raised to the power NT minus 1, close the parenthesis. We have A as $100,000 multiplied by R or 0.09 divided by N, which is 12, all divided by the quantity, open parenthesis, 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12, raised to the power 12 multiplied by 18, subtracted by 1, close it, and then enter in the calculator. So on the calculator, we're going to type in the numerator first, which is $100,000 multiplied by the R, which is 0.09 divided by 12, close the parentheses. Numerator is done and divided by the portion for the denominator. Open the parentheses and open again for the quantity 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12. Close the parentheses. Raised to the power, which is a product of 12 and 18. 12 times during the year and 18 years. And after that, bring the cursor down, subtract it by 1, close the parentheses. Everything looks good, so then hit enter. We see the number as 186.44. I'm gonna put it back into the working part here. We have 186.44, but since we're gonna round up, so then the p-value will be $187 per month. And then compute in part B. We're gonna find the total deposit. The money is put in at $187 per month, 12 months in a year for over 18 years. Then the total deposit will be $40,392 from the annuity at the end of 18 years as $100,000. So then the rest gonna be the interest that you earn. So the total interest would be the annuity subtracted by the total deposit. Annuity or the future value will be $100,000 subtracted by 40,392. And then the total interest earned for this case is $59,608.